Hello, folks. So today on Yardie's Kitchen, we are making a teriyaki jerk chicken breast, and I'm using these chicken breasts that I bought, and they come in slivers like this. And you just want to wash them clean, and you are ready to season. I have here some Moore's marinade, and I am also using a little bit of Dale's steak sauce. I'm using some chicken seasoning. I'm using some ground cumin, and I'm using also some paprika. I'm using garlic as well, and definitely you want to add your garlic. I'm using Larry's seasoned salt, but not too much. And guys, I am using regular paprika as well as my smoked paprika. I'm also using my homemade jerk seasoning, and guys, you can use any jerk seasoning that you so have. And you pretty much want to start by just adding some jerk seasoning to your chicken along with all those other seasonings that I just described. And you can add as much or as little jerk seasoning depending on your taste. Also, make sure you add a little bit of oil as well. And you want to mix in everything and make sure it is properly coated, nicely covered. All right. Again, you want to make sure that your seasoning is not overly spicy so that you can enjoy the flavor of the chicken. Yeah, and then put some oil. For this recipe, I'm using my Ventre tabletop grill, and this is how the chicken looks after about 15 minutes of marinade. And then I want to turn up the heat on my Ventre grill, put it to the highest level, and I'm gonna add my cooking oil just a little bit. I'm using a sunflower olive oil mixture here, and you want to add this and just use your kitchen brush to make sure that all your grill is properly coated with the oil. Then you want to add your chicken and allow for it to grill as you see me doing here. And guys, I promise you, if you season your chicken and marinate it properly, it will be great. All right. So after a couple minutes on one side, you want to turn him around. You don't want, remember, I know it's chicken breast you're using, so you don't want it to get too dried out. So as soon as it getting a nice little grill marks and one side is done, you want to flip it and just make it grill on the other side. And I don't know how exactly to position it to get the cross mark like how they normally do on most grills. I sort of know, but I'm not sure. For this recipe, I'm using some Panda Express teriyaki sauce. You can use whatever teriyaki sauce you have. All right. So I just wanted to use a cup of teriyaki sauce, and then I'm going to base my chicken, my grilled chicken, with the teriyaki sauce. And of course, I added a little bit of soya sauce to stretch it a little bit. And I'm basing my chicken now. Very, very simple, guys. When you go to your Chinese restaurant and you get your teriyaki sauce or your little sauce package, you don't throw them away. You understand? If you don't use them at the same time, you can use them in this recipe. See it? So you just want to coat your chicken breast with your sauce and make it look as good as this one looks. Guys, I tell you, the place smells so nice. And you want to do them on both sides. So that's the next thing that I wanted to say to you guys. Make sure you coat it on both sides. And for this recipe, I'm gonna also add a little bit of liquid to the bottom of my grill pan, so to make like a little sauce for it. So I like how the Venture grill pan is that it have a raised area, and then it has a little bit of a depressed area where you can add some liquid to the pan, and it will not like totally saturate the whole pan and make the whole chicken look wet, or it still looks grilled. So here you have it, guys, the finished product. And of course, I'm serving it up for dinner with some rice and peas and some mixed vegetables. I do hope you will try this in your neck of the woods. Venture tabletop grill is really nice. You can get your own, or you can look for the link in the description box and purchase your one. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to Yardie Belly TV. And of course, guys, follow us on all socials at Yardie Belly TV. We're coming to your neck of the woods with more recipes like this, and of course, we're still gonna be going live more regularly as of now. So once again, Yardie Belly TV with a teriyaki jerk grilled chicken breast, or grilled teriyaki jerk chicken breast, something like that. Yardie Belly TV. Like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV. Big up on yourself.